Hello trader. No time to look at the terminal. Get profit with auto trade from vfxAlert. Auto trade only works for pro accounts. The next step is connect to the Quotex broker. Write login and password of the account on the broker. We are switching demo account to test automatic options. Let's move on to the auto trade settings. The first step is to create a trading preset. The name of the preset. There are no cryptocurrencies on the broker. We choose the Forex market. Select the currency pairs on which auto trade will work. And time frame. Disable the minute one. It has a lot of false signals for any strategy. We leave signals with medium and high power values. We choose the type of signal according to the market and your strategy. For sideways movement, enabled reversal signals and disabled trend signals. We always leave adaptive ones. Let's move on to the auto trade settings for the preset. We choose a Quotex broker and the option amount. In money or percentage of the deposit. Indicators determine the conditions for opening an automatic option. Two standard technical oscillators are available to the trader. Relative Strength Index, showing the transition of the market to overbought or oversold. And Commodity Channel Index, which determines the dynamics of price movement. The indicator rises with the trend and falls before a reversal. The next two indicators of the vfxAlert program. Trends showing the direction and strength of the trend across multiple timeframes. And a summary analyzing the market by several parameters at once. Each of the indicators from summary can be configured separately for a more accurate signal on the current market situation and selected currency pairs. We start trading. We choose one main pair, the euro-dollar, and the cross pair whose volatility allows you to use both trend and reversal strategies. The type of signals is oscillatory and adaptive. Fixed option amount of $100. We will open only call options, a strategy based on technical indicators. Simple conditions. CCI above 100 indicates a strong trend. When the RSI is in the overbought zone above the 50 level, we open an option. Turning on auto trade. First auto option on Euro-Yen. Let's look at indicators. There are all the conditions of the strategy. The option is opened correctly. The option is in profit far from the opening level. Expiration 15 minutes. Even if rollback begins, there will be enough time to close in profit. If auto trade one asset will open only one option. You can increase the transaction amount up to 5 or 10% of the deposit. Stop trading after 2 losses in a row. Pause for market analysis. If the strategy works, we continue auto trade. It is recommended to use auto trade in the European and American Forex sessions. All assets in these sessions give good results on binary option. For the Asian session, only the dollar-yen and the euro-yen. They are quite volatile for options for 5 and 15 minutes. We turn on auto trade only when there are no strong fundamental news and statistics. There is a rollback to the opening level. We are waiting for expiration. "30 seconds to expiration." The option in the money is near from the opening level. Indicators show the continuation of the uptrend. The first deals is closed with a profit. We are waiting for the next auto option. The second option is for the euro-pound. Look at the chart. All the conditions of the strategy are met. The next auto option opens, again for the euro-yen. The indicators confirm the continuation of the uptrend. Always remember this rule. Auto option expiration is determined only by the settings in vfxAlert. Broker expiration for manual trading only. Open options without profit, no new ones yet. Choosing the right auto option type is as important as money management. No need to strive to take the entire market. It is wrong to open up and down trades at the same time on a trend. We will get a lot of opposite options. There will be no good profit. Even if the trend is wide, leave one type of option. Then up will open only on a reversal from the resistance level, down only from the support level. On the sideways movement, watch for the breakdown of the channel borders. If confirmed, we leave only up or down auto trade. The option on the euro-pound closed with a loss. The third option is in profit. We continue auto trade. Euro-dollar option. We are trying to compensate for the loss. All the conditions of the strategy are met. Auto trade works correctly. If your manual strategy works on time frames of 30 minutes or more, test Auto Trade, an additional tool. Then while there is long deal, you can profit from short trades for 5 and 15 minutes. The main condition: Auto Trade and manual strategy work on the same asset. Auto Trade cannot be used according to the enable on and forgot. It saves the trader time and nerves, but it is only a robot. He does not see candle patterns, does not read the news, does not analyze past trades. Options are opened only on indicators that are always late. There is no strategy in which all the signals are correct. Even if all the opening conditions are there, the transaction may end loss. Keep Auto Trade under control. Change the parameters of the indicators according to the current market. Then there will be a stable profit. The option is in profit. The indicators continue to point to the uptrend. But the price is again near the opening level. Perhaps the trend is almost over. If there is a profit, then 3 of the 4 automatic options will be in profit. And most of the loss is compensated. Then you can end the Auto Trade session. We close the profit. We disable Auto Trend and summarize. An hour of automatic trading received profit $145. It is the very good result.